I thought I'd make this quick video. This is a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sport. It's lifted 2 inches, got 32-inch tires. We got a worn winch bumper, 52-inch light bar, pod lights. I think that's about the only thing that would affect how it flows through the air. And this is wind noise at 70 miles an hour, so I'll be quiet for a second. Maybe I'll even, no, I guess I can't switch my camera off of me, so you gotta look at me. Well, that's the 70 miles an hour. I mean, I can probably get up to 80 real quick. That's 80 right here. So it doesn't get too bad. I mean, I don't know, I guess I'm pretty used to it. And I mean, the Jeep looks pretty cool with all the lights and stuff on it, so it doesn't bother me. But, I mean, if you're looking to purchase one, at least you'll know what to expect. Now my light bar, my 52-inch light bar that runs across the top of the windshield does have silencers on it. So you still get a little whistle off the brackets and stuff like that. And every once in a while it makes a little noise, but I mean, definitely want to put silencers on the light bar. But this is just a quick video. You know, anybody who's wanting to know what it sounds like while you're driving down the road. Talk to you later. Bye.